Welcome students. Let's begin with our third lesson, Views and Printing in MS Word. MS Word is one of the most reliable applications for word processing and document creation. You can create your document and print it. Let us find out how to get the best print of a document by viewing it in various ways and by using print preview function. On the right hand side you can see a picture of working area of MS Word. On the top we have a title bar where we can see the name of our document. Below that we have a menu bar with lots of menus on it. Then we have standard toolbar. Now the standard toolbar consists of new document, open a document, save, print and lot of other functions. Below that we have a formatting toolbar. Now in formatting toolbar we can change the font size, you can make your text bold, italic, underline, you can align it left, center, right, etc. Then on the right side you can see a scroll bar. With the scroll bar you can go up and down and view your document. Now on the left side we have a cursor from where you are supposed to start typing in your Word document. Then beneath that we have a ruler. Ruler is to mark the margins and see from where your page actually starts. Below that we have a status bar. The status bar will tell you about what's the page number, which section is on, which line you are into, which column you are typing into. All those details will be shown by the status bar. In MS Word, the document can be viewed in different ways. Depending on the things that need to be done for a document, there are 5 views, namely the print layout view, full screen reading, the web layout view, the outline view and the draft view. To access the view options in a document, click the View tab. The document views group of the tab displays the 5 options in which a document can be viewed. Each view has different usage and accordingly has different settings of its own. In the picture, all the views have been shown with the red arrows. Please look into it. The print layout view. This is the default view for working in Word, and every new document opens in this view. This view contains all the major functionalities of Word. This view contains all the elements in a document like headers and footers, columns, etc. This view is the perfect view to show how the document will be printed according to the page breaks. The full screen reading view. As the name suggests, the document is viewed in the full screen in this view. The view is best suited for when the content in the document needs to be read. Thus, it is optimized for reading on a computer screen. This is also most useful in reviewing the document for any corrections. This view may or may not truly reflect what the document will look like on printing. However, there is an option to show printed page, which allows you to see how the page will look when printed. This option, along with others, is present in the View Options drop-down menu in the right top corner of the window. The Web Layout view. This view is used to display a document as it will be viewed on a web browser window. In this view, the text is wrapped so that it fits in a browser window and the images are adjusted accordingly. With this, we come to the end of this session. In the next class, we will cover the outline view, the draft view, the print preview, and also we'll see the steps to print a document. So, see you soon in the next session. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.